Hey everyone, welcome back to Edgeverse. Or if you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we're diving into some mind-bending cosmic stuff today. Imagine this. You're staring at the night sky, and you start wondering, did the universe have a beginning? Like a real starting point 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang? Or has it been around forever, stretching back into an infinite past? That's the deep time paradox. It's this huge tension in cosmology. Our best evidence points to a finite universe that kicked off with a bang, but some cutting-edge theories suggest that bang was just a phase in an eternal cycle. What came before? Is there even a before? Mind blown yet? Stick with me, because this isn't just philosophy. It's driving real science forward, and it could change how we see existence itself. Today, we're exploring whether the universe is truly eternal or had a definite start. We'll break down the Big Bang, why it hits a wall, wild alternatives like big bounces and multiverses, potential evidence we're hunting for, and the deep philosophical implications. Let's jump in. First, the standard story, the Big Bang. About 13.8 billion years ago, everything, space, time, matter, was crammed into an incredibly hot, dense state, and then it exploded outward, expanding and cooling. We know this because galaxies are flying apart, the farther ones moving faster. We see the cosmic microwave background, that faint glow left over from when the universe first became transparent. This is the oldest light we can detect, a snapshot from 380,000 years after the Big Bang. It matches predictions perfectly. But here's where it gets tricky. If you rewind the tape all the way back using Einstein's general relativity, you hit a singularity. Everything's squeezed into infinite density, infinite temperature. Physics breaks down. Time itself starts there. Asking what came before is like asking what's north of the North Pole. It's meaningless in the theory. So, is this a true beginning? The universe popping out of nothing? Or is the singularity just a sign that our theories are incomplete, like how Newtonian physics fails at tiny scales? This is the heart of the paradox. Some scientists say, yeah, it's a real start, no before needed. But others think quantum effects kick in at those extremes, smoothing out the singularity. Enter alternatives that suggest an infinite past. One big idea, cyclic models. The universe expands, contracts, bounces, repeats forever. No beginning, no end. Another, loop quantum gravity and the big bounce. In this theory, space-time is made of tiny quantum loops. At super high densities, instead of crunching to infinity, it rebounds like a cosmic trampoline. Our Big Bang, just the bounce from a previous contracting universe. No singularity, physics stays intact, and there could be echoes from the before phase. Then there's eternal inflation. The early universe inflated super fast. In some versions, inflation never fully stops. It keeps bubbling off new universes forever. Ours is one bubble in an infinite sea. No global beginning, just endless local bangs. Rhetorical question. If there are infinite universes, does that make our existence less special or inevitable? These ideas avoid the absolute beginning problem, but they're not without issues, like how to handle increasing entropy over cycles. So, is there evidence for any of this? We're looking for echoes of eternity. The CMB is our best window to the deep past. Scientists have scoured data from Planck's satellite for anomalies, weird patterns that might hint at a pre-bang era, like concentric circles or spots from old black holes. So far, nothing definitive, but the hunt continues. Even more promising, gravitational waves. LIGO's already detected ripples from black hole mergers. Future detectors could catch primordial waves from the very early universe, or even a bounce. Different models predict different wave patterns. This could be the smoking gun. We're on the edge of potentially detecting if the Big Bang was a transition, not an origin. Now, let's shift to the philosophical side, because this stuff hits hard. If the universe is eternal, what about causality? Everything needs a cause, right? But an infinite chain might not need a first one. Or the arrow of time. Why does entropy increase, making past and future different? A true beginning explains a low entropy start, but eternity complicates it. Fine-tuning. Constants are perfect for life. In an infinite multiverse, we're just in one that works. Anthropic principle on steroids. No need for design. And my favorite, the block universe. From relativity, past, present, future all exist equally in a 4D spacetime block. Time doesn't flow. It's all there, eternal. In an infinite past, that block stretches forever backward. Every moment is real, timelessly. Existentially, infinite time could make us feel insignificant, or realize that in vast eternity, conscious beings like us are incredibly rare and precious. We don't know yet. Observations can't see beyond our horizon. Quantum gravity theories are untested. But progress is coming. Better wave detectors, quantum cosmology. The consensus: Big Bang is solid for the last 13.8 billion years. But the ultimate origin? Open question. This paradox isn't a dead end. It's fueling innovation. So where does that leave us? The deep time paradox reminds us how much wonder is out there. Whether the universe began or always was, it's awe-inspiring that we, tiny specks, can even ask these questions. Science might one day tip the scales, or maybe some mysteries stay forever. What do you think? Infinite past or definite beginning? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. If this blew your mind, smash like, subscribe for more deep dives into cosmology, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, exploring the cosmos together.